Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. I think many of you are here because you are looking for cute and easy recipe videos. But Korea Eat Happy is more than just that. It shares the culture of Japanese home cooking with the world. My goal is to share the joy of real Japanese home cooking and make your everyday cooking experience more exciting. いただきます. My recipes range from savory to sweet, are easy to follow. Thank you very much for your comments. They are greatly appreciated and make my hard work worthwhile. And also thank you very much for your pictures with hashtag OCHIKERON on social media. I am very happy to see them. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Just watch my videos to see for yourself. I will bring you a brand new recipe video every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.